Hi, financial correspondent Jen Rezac here with Calvin Getz of Strategy Financial Group. Now, for many people heading into retirement, the future can look a little bit murky because there are just so many unknowns. Calvin, how can you help us bring that retirement income picture into focus a little better?
Sure, Jen. Well, you can't control everything, but you need to focus on what you can control, which is how long are you going to work? Where are you saving money? Is that money going to be taxable or tax-free when you take it out? You can't control stock market performance, but you can manage risk. So getting really clear on what your risk tolerance is and making sure that the allocation you have in your portfolio matches that risk tolerance. And then putting it all together in a comprehensive written retirement income plan. That's what we help our clients with. And that's why we've developed this retirement kit, including the retirement roadmap book, to help our clients really understand what they need to do to navigate this new retirement.
Right, and there's just so much uncertainty with so many unknowns. These tools can help people have a little bit more confidence with the future, right?
That's right. Whether you're nearing retirement or you've just retired or you've been retired for a long time, planning for retirement is different from traditional financial planning, and the tools in this kit will really be valuable for you.
Right, whether it's income, investments, taxes, healthcare. For some tips on how to help clear up that retirement income picture, you can call, text, or go online to get your own copy of Calvin's Retirement Roadmap Kit. So Calvin, thanks so much for your time again here today.
Thank you, Jen.
And thank you so much for watching this week's Retirement Report. Be sure to tune in again next week for more insights from Calvin. We'll see you next time.